President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has formally accepted the resignations of Executive Secretary Lucas P. Bersamin and Department of Budget and Management Secretary Amena Pangandaman. Both officials respectfully offered and tendered their resignations out of delicadeza, after their departments were mentioned in allegations related to the flood control anomaly currently under investigation, and in recognition of the responsibility to allow the administration to address the matter appropriately.
Wala naman. That's the job of the PCO na mag-announce. Baka mayroong instruction to announce. But I just would like na ituwid yung news na nag-resign ako out of delicadeza. Magandang pakinggan yun pero hindi naman yan ang nangyari. Okay? Kung out of delicadeza na nag-resign ako, di mayroon sanang sulat sila na lalabas. But they accepted nothing. They accepted not my resignation. Ang sulat na sinulat ko kay Presidente, pinirmahan ko lang ng towards the end of yesterday before I left the office to bring out my things. And that was the only time I wrote a letter. And in that letter, I did not even say I resigned. I only said that I am submitting myself to the President's discretion, to the President's prerogative. Wala naman. Hindi naman issue sa akin yan.
The palace acknowledges former Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin's clarification regarding the manner of his transition. As he himself stated in his interview, he submitted himself to the President's discretion and prerogative as part of the ongoing reorganization. The palace announcement was issued in line with this understanding and with due regard for stability and continuity in governance. At nagkausap naman po sila ng Pangulo face-to-face at let us just leave it at that.
Morning, Undersecretary. The former Executive Secretary denied that he resigned out of his own accord. So ano po yung totoong reason kung bakit po siya tinanggal at sino po yung nagpatanggal?
Muli, binanggit na po natin ang ating sagot at sila'y nagkausap na po at sinabi nga po natin, pabayaan na po natin at sila naman po ay nagkausap na.
I'm sorry, hindi namin pwede pabayaan because the taxpayers who are funding the government and are actually paying the salaries of this administration is actually asking for the truth from the palace. Bakit po natanggal yung Executive Secretary at sino po yung nagpatanggal sa kanya?
Hindi ko po masasabi kung sino po nagpatanggal sa kanya. Binanggit ko po kanina na hindi ko po alam kung sinong kausap niya. Kung yun pa ang nababasa ng palasyo, dahil sinabit niya naman po ang sarili niya sa President's prerogative, yan lang po ang ating masasabi. At tinanggap po ang sinasabing resignation.